Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really simple method to use rank function in WPS spreadsheet. So for example, we have here the name of the person and we have here the exam points which this person achieved in the exam. So if we want to rank it, we need to go to the formulas tab. Now I select the cell where I want to insert the function, so I select this cell and I go to insert function. Then on search field, I need to type rank and I select here rank and I click OK button. Then in the number field, I click on this one icon and I select the first cell from the exam points and I click enter. Now I need to type here the data range, so I click on this one icon on the ref field, so I click on it and I select the data range. So I select all data from the exam points column. And now we need to add here absolute reference. So I use shortcut function key and F4 from my keyboard. After that, dollar symbols will be added here. And now I click enter. Here on the order field, I don't type anything. But here you can read more about this option. It is a number, rank in the list sorted descending, 0 or omitted, rank in the list sorted ascending, any non-zero value. So I click OK button. And after that, we can check here the rank of the first row. So if we want to add more ranks, we need to press and hold left mouse button on this one square, and we need to change position of the square to the last row. And now we have here displayed the ranks. Martin has the rank number 1 because it is the highest number. And Philip has rank number 5 because he has the lowest result. And it is number 7, yeah? So it is how it works. If I helped you to use rank function in WPS spreadsheet, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.